Yo, welcome to the Real Plug Factory. In the next 8 minutes, I'm showing you exactly how we cook perfect 1-1 Yeezys and Jordans.
快得啦，時辰地班，知道啦，呢批胯好重。
The reflectivity on this 3M is weak, and the 23 print is cracking.
We can't use these. Put them in the reject pile.
We match the exact density and color code so the bounce feels legit.
Every stitch count and glue line has to match retail or it's trash. Only 1-1 passes. Everything else gets destroyed.
And that's how we make undefeated Yeezys and Jordans in 8 minutes flat. Drop a like if this was crazy.